Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Good Question. This is the first episode of your new favorite series, Differentiation. Now, first, I don't want you to be overwhelmed by anything of what you're seeing in the screen. Before even mentioning any methods, procedures, or exercises, I'd like for you to understand what a derivative is. Derivation is just an operation that you do on functions, like addition or multiplication. It just has a slightly more complicated definition. Let's all look at this yellow rectangle right here. D by dx, that you can see here, is the symbol we're going to use to refer to the derivative with respect to the variable x. You can, of course, have d by dt for time or d by dA for an arbitrary variable. Good, now let's look at the right-hand side of the equation. As you can see, this is a limit. For those of you unfamiliar with the limit, this just refers to approximating this value right here, in this case delta x, to this value after the arrow, in this case 0. This is going to be applied on the function that we have here between brackets. What does this function in the right hand side mean? This is just taking the function f of x and the function at a later point f of x plus delta x, where delta x is just a distance that you are adding to the original point. And you're going to subtract this. You're going to get the difference in the y-axis. And then you're going to divide that by the difference in the x-axis, which is x plus delta x minus x, which we end up with delta x. This is the same, as I said, as saying change in y-axis over change in x-axis for 2 points x and x plus delta x. In practice, as you can see in these graphs, this refers to just taking the point x plus h and the point x, making h smaller and smaller until it gets infinitely close to 0. This just means that x and x plus delta x are basically the same. So, as you can see in the last image, when x gets infinitely small, you end up with almost the same point, and the line that joins these 2 points is just the tangent line to the function at the point x. Good. This was just the first introductory video to this topic. If you have any questions or you didn't understand this properly, please leave a comment under the video or send me an email. Do tell me as well if you would like to see videos on any other topic, or if you're struggling with any particular exercise and we can solve it in a different separate video or through email. See you in the next one. Thank you.